Ang ina niyo.
Shoutout mo ako, Mara.
Bakit?
Shoutout, Mara. Shoutout.
Haven't seen you in a while, you know I miss you, babe. When you hear this song, feel flattered, it's about your face and how I miss it, and I wish that I could see it more. But you're in college now, and I'm about to go on tour.